Your safety is important. Dow Automotive Adhesives have been trusted to install over 1 billion windshields worldwide. Why do our customers choose Dow? Quality, consistency, and long-term durability, because we're committed to your safety. Rest assured, the technician installing glass in your vehicle has been extensively trained in the proper use of our adhesives and knows how to return your vehicle back to the manufacturer's specifications.
Most people don't realize that their windshield is an intricate part of the safety structure of the vehicle. In some models, up to 60% of the roof structure is actually provided by the glass being bonded correctly into the vehicle. Secondly, in many vehicles with first and second generation airbag systems, the bag actually deploys off the glass. Of course, it can't work properly if it isn't bonded properly to the vehicle. And thirdly, the crash system of the entire energy management for that vehicle involved in an accident can depend on that glass being bonded correctly in the car for proper energy management.
It is important to wait the prescribed time before driving your vehicle. It takes time for adhesive to cure and meet federal safety standard requirements. So the longer the adhesive cures, the stronger the bond. Please ask for the minimum safe drive away time for your vehicle.